Hey everyone, Felix here. Hope you're all doing great. And if you click to watch this video, most likely you're interested in an app called Gamehag. And it's a platform that promises you that you can earn real world rewards just by playing games. But is it legit? Can you really make money? And how much can you actually earn? Let's find out. So I've reviewed hundreds of make money online apps and websites. Some are great, some don't pay much, and many aren't worth your time. So let's see where the Gamehag app stands. And remember, if you want my top strategy to earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month from home, click the link below in the video description box or in the pinned comment, and I'll send it to your email directly. First of all, what is Gamehag? It's a platform where you can earn rewards known as soul gems by playing games, completing quests, and participating in community activities. The soul gems can be then exchanged for various rewards like game keys, in-game items, gift cards, and even cash payouts via PayPal. Now, the best part? You can access Gamehag through your browser or mobile app, making it super convenient. Whether you're into RPGs, strategy games, or even puzzle games, there is something for everyone. So how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. You choose a game from the platform, complete the required quests, and start earning soul gems. The tasks range from reaching a certain level in a game to completing specific in-game achievements. The more you play, the more you earn. But let's get to the big question. What can you actually get with these soul gems? Well, you can exchange them for a variety of rewards. These include game keys for popular titles, in-game items like CS skins, and even gift cards for platforms like Steam or Google Play. Now, if you're looking for cold hard cash, you can cash out via PayPal starting as low as 5 cents. Now, the question is, can you get rich playing on Gamehag? Well, let's set some expectations here. Gamehag is a great way to earn some extra cash or rewards for doing something that you already enjoy, which is gaming. However, it's not going to replace a full-time job or make you wealthy. According to some users, you can earn up to $75 to $100 per day if you're really dedicated and take advantage of the best offers. And I'm going to give you some tips to maximize your earnings. 1. Focus on high reward quests. Prioritize games and tasks that offer the most soul gems. Number 2, daily logins and challenges. Consistency is the key. Log in daily and complete daily challenges for bonus rewards. Number 3, referral programs. Invite friends and earn additional soul gems when they complete tasks. And number 4, community engagement. Write articles, participate in forums, and engage with community for extra soul gems. While you can't get rich, the rewards can definitely add up, especially if you're saving for something specific or just want to treat yourself. Plus, it's fun and low-stress way to earn rewards while exploring new games. So, is Gamehag worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a way to monetize your gaming time without spending extra money, it's legit, it's easy to use, and most importantly, it's fun. Just remember, it's not get-rich-quick scheme, but a great way to earn a little extra on the side. However, If you're looking for a life-changing income opportunity, Gamehag is definitely not what you want to spend your time on, as it's going to be a complete and utter waste of your precious time. Instead, I would strongly recommend you to dive into my favorite way, my favorite strategy of earning income online, where you can learn how to earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month, 100% online from home or anywhere in the world for that matter, as long as you have a computer, a laptop, and internet connection. So, if you're interested in trying out the strategy, check the link in the description below, enter your best email, and I'll send it to you via a link where you are going to be able to access this training completely free. No need to pay for anything. And look, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. Bye-bye.